So it's a Monday and we're back to work, baby. We're back on the road. We're back to getting that money. So currently I'm chilling at the airport waiting for my flight to Cape Town. But I just want to talk to the Signal subscribers for this week, the 100 Rand Signal promotion subscribers. Just a few pointers for you guys, because I know there's a lot of you who are using Signals for the first time, who you actually trading for the first time. So when you guys trade now, the last Signal promotion we had a 100% winning rate. This was about 2 weeks back. We sent out 10 signals, they all hit take profit, everybody made money, everybody was happy. It's a new week, different setups. Yes, our goal is to obviously have 10 out of 10 winning trades, but might happen, might not happen. This is trading. So to all those people that always take my signals, who have $100 account and they open 0.05 lot sizes, they open 10 of them, guys, that's not how you trade. Firstly, there's no risk management in that. If you have $100 account and you're using my signals, the minimum lot size you can use is 0.01. Your maximum lot size you can use is 0.05 once. If you have $100 account, once, not 5 times 5 entries of 0.05. Guys, use proper risk management. Yes, we all want to make money this week, but let's not be greedy, okay? Because sometimes before signals go the profitable way or the profitable direction, they go into losses. And then that's what happened with NAS. There's a signal I sent out 2 weeks back to those subscribers on NAS, and that thing literally spiked all the way down, almost hit the stop loss. It was literally inches away from the stop loss, and then shot all the way back up. So if you had multiple positions open, your account wouldn't be able to withstand that whole withdrawal, into negatives. You would have blown your account, and then after blowing your account, it goes into your direction. We eating, you're not, just because you use small lot sizes. So please guys, focus on using proper risk management when you're taking the signals. And other than that, signals will be sent out from tonight when I land in Cape Town, because we haven't been on the charts. As you guys see, the whole team is flying, so that will be sorted out first thing for you guys tonight. But let's have a profitable run, use proper risk management. I'm emphasizing on that because I know I'm going to kill it this week, and we're all going to kill it. But let's not be greedy, let's just use the right lot sizes and then we kill this thing, man. Life isn't complicated, guys. I'm here to make your life easy, so that's what it's about at the end of the day. So to all the other traders, have a profitable week, have a blessed week, and let's make this money, bro. I'm ready, stay ready. You guys know what I'm about. So blessed week to you guys. Catch you on the flip side.